I was in pain, so I was feeling the pain of the accident. I was already at my just about the 20th year of service in the police department. I can retire at 20. I wasn't ready to. You just get used to a daily routine of, okay, I'm going to be in pain again today. I was told that I would need surgery, which would be a disc replacement. So I went looking for an alternative. And when I stumbled across Sonospine online, I saw Dr. Alagala explaining the procedure, and to me, it was golden. That alleviated the pain. It was pretty quick after the procedure that I realized, hey, that pain's gone. Dr. Alagala did state my next meeting with him that out of the top 100 worst cases that he's performed surgery on, I was in the top 5. I would highly suggest seeking surgery through Sonospine than the alternative, which just seems so barbaric to me.